Hello people of the web, I'm Zach, also known as Zach the Dragon, and this video has nothing to do with Minecraft. I'm just using Minecraft for my introduction and to ensure you don't get completely distracted by my immeasurable beauty and fill the comment section with compliments. Today we're going to be making a multi-stream command for use with Streamlabs Chatbot. I currently use two different command types. Type A would be a specific multi-stream output. This is for when I'm streaming with someone regularly and mean I can have more of a tailored response. Type B would be more of a generic command. Our first step is that we need to pick a multi-stream platform. There are many websites out there, but for this example we're going to use Multistream, but with a period before the AM. Multistream.am. Link will be in the description if you need it. Now this site is very easy to use and has lots of options for layout. You can of course copy what I'm doing or choose your own layout if you like. Of course I'm going to use myself as the primary streamer and yep, I've typed that correctly. And as the second streamer I'm going to choose someone that I'll be live streaming regularly with in the future. Impulse SV. Oops. SV. It could happen, you never know. And my layout I want is this one. Now the next thing to do is just click watch stream and it'll load up with the layout that I've chosen and the streamers that I've chosen, and the information that we need is this URL. So I'm going to select it and then press Ctrl+C to copy it. If you use Chatbot, I'm sure you know how to add a command, but let's cover our type A first, a cute command that's created specifically for a particular stream you have in mind. So I'm going to do, I was going to say multi-impulse, but let's do Mimpy. There's a nice short command and we'll limit it to moderators. You can limit it to VIPs. I would suggest one of those two depending on your kind of community. We have a cooldown of 0, use cooldown of 2, seems good to me. Now I have one that I've already written out and it's amazing. Here we go. Hearing another voice, and it's too intellectual, funny and knowledgeable to be Zach. Fear not, you aren't going mad. We're co-streaming. To view both perspectives you can use this link. Multistream, Zach Dragon, Impulse SV. So that will be how we submit our command for a specific command for when I'm live streaming with Impulse. Not sure why I'd want to stream with anyone else now that I'm clearly in with my idol, but let's set up a generic command in case Impy ever can't make it. Now, for this kind of a command, you'd expect it to be used in chat, so I'm just going to type it in here. It'd be a multi, and then we do a space, and then the name of who you want to stream with. So if it was Impulse SV, it'd be like that. And so let's change this to a multi. I'm going to call it multi2 because I already have a multi command, and frankly, I quite like it. Give me one moment. Let's type in what we will want for that. So let's say want to see Impulse's view as well. Whoops. Typing, not my strong point. Try this link. So we're going to copy and paste that same link as we did before. Like so. Now because this is a generic multi-command, what we want to do is replace the name that we've got here. So instead of impulse, we'll do $target. So that would be the word after the space after multi. And then we need to do the same thing in here. So impulse SV gets replaced with target again. So if we click submit, we now have a multi2 command. Let's go to the console and I will test drive that particular command. So let's do multi, and I've got to think, who else might I be streaming with when Impulse is busy? Oh, I know. Here we go. So multi Tango Tech. Watch Zach and Tango Tech at the same time via... Oh, that's the wrong command, but it still works. Should have been a multi2 because I made a new command. I might as well use it. There, multi2. That should be it. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button down below. Recommend me to friends and any questions in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Oh, that was a bit high-pitched. Bye-bye. Now is the time that I typically tell a story, and the only thing I can think of is how upset I am, because I played badminton yesterday and someone broke my racket. I only had it 3 weeks and it's already broken. Went straight in the bin. Split the frame bit that goes round the strings, whatever that's called, in half. I loved that racket.